Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Word on your iPad Pro. Sign in so files sync to OneDrive. Once signed in, tap Blank Document or pick a template to avoid layout setup. Make sure your keyboard or Apple Pencil is connected. Typing and annotations are faster. Now place the iPad in split view if you want reference material alongside. This first step gets your document and tools ready so you can focus on content rather than settings. Proceed to insert and format next. Next, add and shape your content. Use the ribbon. Home applies styles and paragraph settings. Insert adds pictures, tables, or links. Tap text to select and the contextual menu appears for bold, lists, or copy-paste. Hold and drag selection handles for precise control. If you prefer handwriting, switch to the Draw tab and use Apple Pencil. Word converts ink to text or shapes when needed. Once done, check Layout for margins and page orientation to ensure print-ready results. Finally, save and share correctly. Autosave keeps changes on OneDrive. If you need a local copy, use File Save a Copy. To deliver a fixed document, export to PDF from File Export and share via mail or AirDrop. Make sure images and fonts are embedded before sending. If layout or fonts shift on another device, switch to compatibility mode or replace non-standard fonts with system fonts. This solves most rendering problems quickly. If syncing stalls, toggle Wi-Fi and reopen Word.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.